Hi and welcome to a new art journaling video. Today my page is inspired by Dina Wakley and I used rubber band stamps. I start on a page where I have already some paint on it and I go on top with white gesso. I draw some marks into the wet paint. After the gesso is dry, I go in with the Neocolor crayons. You can also use the Dina Wakley Scribble Sticks. I blend them with water. I remove some of the color through a stencil with a wet baby wipe. Instead of normal stamping ink, I'm using the crayons to color the stamp. I give it a spritz of water and then it's perfect to go. When everything is dry, I add some more white space. I add some stenciling with acrylic paint. I'm stamping the rubber band piece on some white cardstock. I use the Neocolor crayons to color in the bees. I use an acrylic fine liner to add some journaling. I add some background stamping to create more interest. Thank you for watching today. Please give me a thumb up if you liked the video. Bye!